Hello everyone, my name is Miguel Montesinos and I am from Orihuela, a city in the east of Spain, and I study at the secondary school Gabriel Miró. And in this video I'm going to show you how to prepare this typical Spanish dessert. And with nothing else to say, let's start.
The ingredients we're going to need are 1 liter of milk, eggs, a bar of bread, a cinnamon stick and some lemon carcass, some sugar, and oil to fry them. Okay, so the first thing we should do is to heat up the milk, but we have to be careful with the temperature because we don't want the milk to boil. Now that the milk is hot, we can add the cinnamon stick, the lemon carcass and some sugar. We mix it a bit and we are going to let it rest for around 15 minutes. While the cinnamon and the lemon are having a bath, we can cut the bread. You can use any type of bread, even sliced bread, but this dessert is usually made with bread from the day before, so you don't have to throw it to the bin. Another not very important thing, but very typical, is to cut the pieces in diagonal, so the slices are wider. After the 15 minutes have passed, we can take off the cinnamon and the lemon from the milk, and we are going to drop it onto the bread we have put in a tray. It's important for the milk to still be a little bit hot, and we are going to let the bread rest for another 15 minutes. Now this is probably the most difficult part of the recipe, but it is also very easy. We are going to take the bread piece to piece onto the egg and onto the oil. And it will depend on the temperature, but it will be there for around 1 minute or until we see that it is golden. After the minute, we can flip them. When we can see that they are golden in both sides, now we can pass them into a dish with some paper so it can absorb the oil. After they have cooled, the only thing left to do is to pass them into another dish with more paper and add some sugar, cinnamon, or both things, or even honey if you want to. Now I want you to see how creamy and soft these things are in the inside.
I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and that's all. Goodbye.